Well, in problem number 3, we're given an equation, and we're asked to solve for x. This means we need to find all the values of x that make the statement true. We can do this by isolating x on one side of the equation. And let's get started. You see how we have x's on the left side and x's on the right side of the equation. So we need to get rid of one of those x terms. Let's subtract 6 over x from both sides. I'm going to ask you to communicate your thoughts like this. There will come a point when we should be able to do some of these steps mentally, but right now we want to show our thought process for every step and make sure that we're on the right track. So you can see that on the right side, 6 over x minus 6 over x makes 0. And on the left side, we have a common denominator. 15 over x minus 6 over x is going to make 9 over x. There's still a minus 4 on the left side. There's still a positive 3 on the right side. Now, please notice how we're keeping the equal signs lined up. And now we're going to do another step to both sides. We're going to get rid of minus 4 on the left by adding 4 to both sides. Minus 4 and plus 4 eliminate each other. We're running out of room, so we're going to work our way over here. We'll have on the left side 9 over x. And on the right side, we'll have 7. Now, there's a few ways we could look at the next step. One simple way is to review our work with proportions. If we make 7 look like a fraction by putting a 1 underneath, you have 2 fractions equal to each other. Whenever you have 2 fractions equal to each other, we call this a proportion. And the way you solve a proportion is by doing cross products. So if we multiply across on a diagonal, you get 7 times x. 7 times x, we'll just write as 7x. Now, let's multiply on the other diagonal. 9 times 1, that's going to make 9 times 1. Again, we don't often write times 1, but we're just showing our thoughts. So if you have 7x equals 9, we'll divide both sides by 7, trying to get x by itself, and we'll get x equals 9/7. So now what we need to do is take our calculator and put 9/7 in for x, check the value on the left side of the equation, check the value on the right side of the equation, make sure we get the same value. Hopefully this was helpful. There's some other tricks to deal with these rational equations, and we'll see them in future examples. Thanks for watching.